Yeah.
Hello, everybody. I'm with the Ladies of Justice League with Lois here, she's my partner. And we started investing in real estate in 2003. So to help investors out, we came up with the 7 fast cash real estate strategies. So you can look at all the different strategies to start earning income more quickly instead of looking at the hundreds of ways to do it. And also, we have supported members, real estate, families, businesses, employees with our legal services. So basically, we have protected over 2,093 members so far, and we're growing. In fact, the other day, we protected 111 members in one day. That was a good day, or a month, whatever. So this service has helped us a lot, not only save time, but also make a lot more money, because we were signing contract documents, all these things legally, getting our will done, all that, which would normally cost like $400 an hour. Well, you can get that amount for a whole year service, and you can call your attorney, any attorney, real estate corporate attorney, 10 times a day if you want, and it's still the same monthly fee. So it's month to month, and it's one of the best things we can recommend as investors or as people. Anyway, you can go to ladiesofjusticeleague.com. There's some free information, tools, and strategies there that can benefit you. And then you just put in whatever you're interested in. So check out ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Thank you.